Thank you. So let's talk venues.
All right, we have a lot of things to think about.
And we have a decision to make.
Russo's on the Bay put that modern spin on the traditional ballroom that I didn't even think I was looking for or wanted, but it really caught my attention, and I really like the wow factor of the elevator.
I love the wow factors. The staircase, the elevator. No matter what ballroom we go with there, it's going to wow our guests.
That's true, but I really loved Crystal Plaza. The chandeliers will make great photo opportunities. They have those parachuting desserts. That'll definitely wow people.
It felt not like us. It's just too fancy. I don't want to feel like I'm at my own wedding and out of place. Now, Dobbin Street, that was my vision entirely. It really is that industrial look that I'm going for.
It definitely is Tria, but I just can't vision the industrial theme for our wedding day.
I'll do it for you. Visualization, skyline.
You're right, that part did really get me. I like them all, I don't know which one to go with.
How's this sound?
Okay.
I already have my dream bride, so how about you get your dream venue?
Really? Well, if you're gonna let me decide on the venue, what if I give you champagne palm?
Really?
Yeah, I'll compromise.
You have a deal.
Let's go tell Lauren, she's gonna be so happy for us. I can't believe wedding day is finally here.
I've been looking forward to this day since she said yes.
The next time I see Trey is when we say I do.
I cannot wait to see Maria as she walks down that aisle.
I'm feeling so nervous, but so excited. I just want to see him already.
I'm feeling so grateful to be surrounded by my best friends. Our friends are going to be talking about this one forever. I want to savor every moment.
It's down to the final details.
I can't wait to marry Maria. I do.
I can't wait to marry Trey. I do.
You may salute your bride.
And I cannot wait to see how the venue turned out. This is amazing!
Oh my gosh!
Crystal Plaza is amazing. I loved it when we first visited, but now when we're here, wedding day, I mean, I never want to leave. From the crystal chandeliers and that gold Kate Spade china, I love every detail.
When I first saw this venue, I thought it was too traditional, but it's Tria-ditional.
I can't believe Trey pulled it off. I mean, he gave me that traditional venue that I really wanted, and then he tied it all in with his wow factors.
You have a tub filled with beer, desserts flying from the ceiling out on the dance floor.
I cannot believe my dad is playing champagne pong.
Told you. This is hands down the best party that we've ever thrown.
This is the first day of the rest of our lives, and I'm so happy we chose this venue. Let's party!
Let's do it!
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and return for new videos every single week. Don't forget to hit that like button. No, seriously, you should hit it now.